Hello and welcome to the final part of this create a composite silhouette from any scene video tutorial. Now with all the complicated parts of the tutorial done, all we need to do now is to place in our new sky. So if you open up sky.jpg, and all we need to do is to select the entire image by going Control or Apple A, go Control or Apple C just to copy it, click back into our silhouette layer. Now just click on any layer below the silhouette layer. I've clicked on the background layer here and go Control or Apple V, and that'll paste in our sky layer. Now making sure we've got our move tool selected, all we need to do now is just to move that up and into position. So we've now placed in our new sky layer behind our silhouette, and all that's really left to do now is just to make a couple of adjustments to the levels and the hue and saturation. So if we go first of all up to our adjustment layers, and we'll just select levels, and we just want to move the shadows in just a little bit, so I'll take that up to about 40. I'm going to just reduce the highlights as well, going to reduce those to about 220, and we'll just make a slight mid-tone adjustment as well, so I will take that up a little bit, get a bit more drama going on in the sky. So I'll take that to 0.8, and you can see if I just click on and off the preview, the effect that that has had to the clouds. So it's really boosted some of the colour, and also the detail of the clouds is really starting to come through. So I'll just click OK to apply that. Now I just want to boost that colour a little bit more. So if I click again on the adjustment layers and select hue saturation, and I just want to increase the saturation up to about 30. If I just click preview on and off, and we can see how that's really boosted the colours in the sky. So now I can just click OK to apply that. Now before I finish, I think I'm going to straighten that horizon. It's a little bit wonky at the moment. So first of all, if I click on layer 1, which includes our silhouette layer, and if I just drag right to the corner, or I can go Apple or Control T for free transform, and just rotate that round just to straighten out that horizon. Again, as always, just click the green tick just to confirm that. Now I just want to crop that in so that I can remove any of this overlap area on the far right hand side. Just going to take that in. Again, just hit the tick button just to confirm, and there we have our final silhouette image. And all you need to do now is just to flatten that down and you're finished. So I'll go up to my layer options, choose flatten image, discard hidden layers, yes. And there we have our final composite silhouette that we've applied to a landscape image.